Alright guys, Joms TV Media on a beautiful Monday afternoon. We're on our way to Intercity sa Alabang at meron tayong kasama. First time to ha. Guys, ayan. Welcome, Become Legendary! Hindi, first time na
wala sa car meet
na So ito, mag-feature tayo. Guys, we feature natin yung kotse ni Sir Raymond Salvador of Retro Ride South. Ayan, kasi type ni Sir Ray, picturean yung kanyang Toyota Supra.
Alam mo ba?
Bakit?
Kasi nung nasa Japan nga kami, may dumaan na gano'n na Gen 1 Supra.
Okay.
Sabi ni Boss Jack, mahirap na makahanap niyan ganyan dito sa Japan.
Talaga?
Ngayon, nasa Japan ka na, mahirap na
mahirap na maghanap.
Kaya nagulat ako na mayroon dito.
Okay.
Para malaman natin yung story.
Ayan. So, yun yung maganda yung kwento. Mamaya, maririnig natin yung kwento from the owner mismo. Yeah. Kaya papunta na tayo dun.
Sana i-divulge niya ang lahat.
Oo, kaya yan.
Baka mamaya may mga alam mo yun?
Basta may mga secret pang mga nakatago. Guys, abangan nyo kasi may iba pang kotse doon. Hindi namin alam kung ano pa, pero marami pang kotse na nakatago doon. So, yun. Alright?
Pwede ba mag-suggest ng title mo rito?
Oo naman. Anong title?
Secret Meet.
Oo naman. Guys, Secret Meet. Joms TV Media.
May version kami ng Secret Meet namin. Kala nyo ha.
Okay guys, stay tuned kasi this is a very exciting episode. And we call it, Secret Meet JTM. Joms TV Media with Become Legendary. Alright? Please like and subscribe this channel so we could create more videos and we can attend more car meets tulad ng mga ina-attend na namin. Alright? Have a great day, have a great week. God bless. Tara, samahan nyo kami. Let's go. Wait. Guys, shout out kay Boss Dawag of the security personnel natin dito sa Intercity. Hello po, good afternoon. Salamat. Guys, ayun, tignan niyo. Yan, legitimate na car guys, si Sir SR. Sir, 90.
Yung tropa ko na taga Japan kasi nung pumunta kami ng Daiko, may lumabas na ganyan pero black. Okay. Sabi ko, ikaw Ray, ayaw mo shoot to yung Supra. Sige sir, ano bang kwento dito? Itong particular na unit ito yung madalas pupunta sa Daiko. Kasi sobrang rare niya, ito lang nakikita namin na lumalabas. So nagulat ako nung last time na may dumaan ka sir ng AGC. Okay. So gusto ko siyang i-feature para makita ng mga taga-Japan. Oy, meron din kami dito.
Tapos sinabi ko, kilala kita sir.
Yun.
Sabi ko, nakilala natin to si sir, part of the shoutout sa Retro Ride South and Old Schooler Pilipinas Auto Club sir, no? So yun, sabi niya bro, pakilala mo okay sir.
Sabi ko nga, kung rare na doon, paano pa kaya dito?
Well, to add dito. Yes sir. Actually, ito, medyo common to sa US. Nilabas to nung 87 sa US. Pero, US version. Yung US version is yung 7M
7M GE sir na engine.
7M GTE. Tapos, parang hindi siya naka-flare ng konti. Itong model na to, this was the last na Mark III Supra. Nilabas to 1991. So,
okay.
Japan lang. So, yun yung engine nito is 1J.
1J, okay.
Parang in preparation na for
Supra.
1J. So, parang itong version na to is R.
R na, sir?
Supra Twin Turbo R. Yung R kasi is 1J engine, naka-LSD, tapos naka-Recaro seats, naka-suspension works na. Medyo mas special to ng kaunti compared sa mga naka 1G at 7M.
Oh, okay.
So may R badge to.
May R badge, okay.
Makikita mong R badge, yun yung parang they say, hindi naman ako nag-ano, no? They say it's the rarest na na Mark III.
Na Mark III, alright.
Kasi ang dami makina nito eh. Meron naka 1G, meron 7M. So yun yung mga common. But ito, 1J, ito yung medyo mas rare. So,
Ang haba.
1J siya. Parang 2J din.
Parang 2J din, oo nga, sir.
Yeah. Ang kaibalan nila is the displacement.
Which is, ang displacement nito, sir, is
2.5.
2.5. Alright.
Yung 2J kasi is
3.0. Tama ba?
3.0.
Tama, sir.
So some parts of the 2J are interchangeable.
Okay, sir. Alright.
Some
Which is, yun yung beauty ng Toyota, no, sir?
yung iba.
You could use
Parang
the parts.
13T.
Yes, sir.
Actually, may ginagawa sila rito yung block ng 2J tapos head ng 1J.
1J.
Mas
Okay.
maganda yung they say may mga nababasa ko parang sa karera yung 3T block tapos
Yes, sir.
2T head.
Okay, sir.
Kasi yung head niya mas parang I don't know. So yun mga naririnig ko lang nababasa.
Sir, but this particular engine is yung straight pare, original pa rin.
Original.
Alright.
So ito yung Japan version 90 model. Then nag-end siya 92.
Mhm.
JZ series na R.
Sir, to matagal na sa inyo.
Matagal na to. Ito yung time na yung pumapasok yung mga Japan cars from Cebu.
Oh my gulay.
Yung mga time na yun. Sorry, pero dirt cheap eh.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Dirt cheap. Ako, kung meron na akong budget pala nung time na, sana tinabi ko lang yung
Yun na nga, sir.
kasi bago nito may nakabili pang Skyline na R32 at 380,000. Hindi naman yun.
Malula.
Kung may ko pala, sana tinago mo na.
Oo nga, sir, no?
Yung ba yung Port Irene, sir?
Port Irene is G-plate. Yung plate niya is iba eh. Oo. Ito kasing plate na to, GNY is Cebu.
Okay. So this is Cebu, sir.
Yung Port Irene is
A ba, sir? Ay, B.
plate.
B, yeah.
Pero syempre, nung napag-initan yung Port Irene, nag-stop na.
Okay.
And the problem was, nung nag-20 year na yung US, na pwedeng mag-import na, wala na, hindi na tayo pinansin ng Hapon. Lahat ng kotse napunta na sa US, Australia.
Okay.
Diba may ruling ang US, after 20 or 25 years,
25, sir.
you can import na legally.
Legally, yeah, yes, sir.
So nangyari,
Yeah.
naging ang market, tumaas. Presyo.
So sila na nag-dictate ng pricing.
Sila na, kaya, kawawang Pinoy, hindi na nakabili. Nakalaban na natin,
Saka, sir, nagmahal lahat.
Lahat yata yung bidding na. No, sir.
Yeah, bidding na.
Bidding.
Sige.
Grabe, ang ganda.
Although ito, si Jojo gumawa ng ng painting. Yung flarings.
Yes, shout out kay Sir Jerome Villostas. Yan. Sir, but may numbers? Ano to? Dinrag mo?
Hindi,
Ay.
dun sa Versailles.
Sa car show. Oo.
Nag-ano lang kami, hindi ko naman alam na may bayad.
Yes, sir.
Pagdaan namin, may bayad. Sir, lagyan namin ng number.
Yan, sir. Doon niya nakita yan.
Na-break neck ako eh. Hindi na-break eh. Break neck eh.
Grabe. Lapad. Sir, ito, you use it on a weekends. Yeah.
Ang maswerte lang pag taga-South. Maraming venue on South eh.
Totoo, sir.
So, better than po nga yung taga-PUC na dadayo.
Correct. Kasi madalas natin makita si sir during mga car meet sa ATC, no, sir? So, of course, sa mga retro rides out. Grabe. This is a garage for every car guy. Na parang pag car guy ka, ito yung garage na gusto mo makita, especially if you're an enthusiast of old cars. Sila Sir Raymond ang dapat mong kausap. Like, yun nga, meron pa, parang marami pa dun eh.
Meron pa sa ibang shop, may mga natira pa.
So may mga iba. Wow, grabe. Pero ito, okay, punta naman tayo dito. This particular car, bihira na tayo makakita nito.
This episode is brought to you by Cool Man Essentials.
Ay, sir, you were saying, sir, itong badge na to, sir.
Yung R badge na yan is, yung last ng Mark III body na
Okay.
naka 1J.
Oh, okay, sir, ito, sir.
1J, tapos medyo mas special siya ng front suspension, seats.
Ano yun, sir? It's only in this specific model?
Dito lang.
Dito lang.
Dito lang. Kasi yung after nito, yung Mark 4.
4 na, sir. Yeah, yung Celica Supra, sir. Ay, tama ba?
Yung Mark 4 na, yung sikat, Fast and the Furious.
Fast and the Furious, sir.
Yun na yung sumikat after.
Ay, MK4, no, sir?
Yeah. And Mark
2JZ na, sir.
2JZ
Tama.
na siya.
Grabe yung looking at the design, sir. In this day and age, parang ganun pa rin siya. Hindi yung kumbaga, pwede siyang isabay sa mga kotse ngayon.
Well,
No, sir?
I think it's because it's unique eh.
Oh, yes, sir.
You don't see pop-up headlights na, di ba, yung mahabang hood, mahabang
Yes, sir.
puso.
Oo, tama.
Yung mga puro glass na ganyan.
Correct.
Wala na. It's already a design na paso na.
Ang ganda. Ang ganda, no, sir? Sobrang ganda.
Sabi nga nila, this is the Japanese Corvette.
Japanese Corvette, alright. Yeah.
Medyo, kung titignan mo, magkahawig siya sa Corvette. Yung
Yung Z06 body?
basta yung
ZL body? Yeah, sir.
I'm not, expert yan. Pero
Yeah.
yung kasabay niya na 90s na Corvette at saka mga 80s,
Okay.
late 80s yun yung medyo magkahawig sila. Alam mo naman,
Correct.
upon that time, may
Totoo, sir.
pagka-inspiration sa
Totoo, sir. Yung Celica na
Camaro,
76.
diba?
Ano daw, ang tawag nga nila, Japanese pony. Parang Mustang pony. Yung Japanese pony. Ayan, yung loob. Tapos ano talaga, sir, frameless.
Yeah, wala siyang
Frameless talaga. Grabe. Yan yung nakakatawa yung sabi ni Sir Ray of Become Legendary. Ayun, nagpipicture siya. Nabihira na daw to sa Japan. Shoutout sa mga friends natin in Japan. Of course, definitely si Mr. Albo Media. And sa US, sila Sir Erwin. Ayan, we have a Supra here. Sa MK3. So, dito. Sobrang thank you talaga kay Sir Raymond.
no race.
Sobra. Grabe. Sir, ito, may bibuild ka pa or this is already built na?
Well, I mean another car.
No, I mean, sir, for this particular car.
Actually, more on the yung interior.
Okay.
Because of its age, may mga kailangan ayusin.
Yeah, sir.
Oo. Although ito kasi, since this is Japan model,
Mhm.
left hand. So what I did, I bought a dash ng
Yes, sir.
ng US version, rocket pinion.
Yes, sir.
So parang kinonvert ko. Although alam mo naman if it's
Converted, yeah.
medyo sometimes may crack dito, small things. So yun lang, siguro I have to work on that.
Work on that, okay. The staggered wheels, no, sir? Tama ba?
I think pareho lang
Parehas
siya.
lang. Sa angle pala na ito mo.
Mukha lang siyang staggered because dito, yung effect nito, parang
Yes, sir.
mas labas
Ay,
siya.
oo, tama. Yeah.
Di ba? Yung sinasabi ni Jerome nung nilagyan niya ng...
Sir, for a car like this, where do you normally bring this car? Kumbaga, in terms of service, o kayo na rin na nagme-maintain?
For
mechanical or for...
Well, for mechanical,
Do you have the trusted shop?
ito talaga, pag 1J ang gusto mong patinuin,
Yes, sir.
ang kilala dyan si Chris Racing.
Chris Racing, sir.
Novaliches.
Novaliches, alright.
Yun, tawag doon si Idol.
Idol.
Pilis gumawa nun
Okay.
Talagang, actually, nung unang ginawa to sa shop dito, hindi nila maitono.
Okay.
It was running kasi inandun to in-overhaul.
Yes, sir.
Tapos, napa-under naman, pero hindi nila mapatino.
Okay.
So, sabi ni Jojo sa akin, ni Jerome,
Yes, sir.
dali mo doon kay Chris Racing. Kasi marami silang parts ng 2J, 1J, RB.
Okay.
So, pagdating ko doon, believe it or not, 3 oras na, alam na nila, napatinuwagan nila.
Okay.
Kasi ang dami nilang parts eh. Check natin yung box. Spare box, meron sila. Check natin lahat ng injectors. Spare sila. Check natin yung mga, electrical plugs.
Yes, sir. So they diagnose it properly.
Alam nila agad.
Yeah.
So I think that's the beauty about a shop na sanay sa
Who specializes in particular.
So si Chris, hats off ako doon. Idol Chris.
Shout out kay Sir Chris.
Through Jerome.
Through Jerome, of course.
So yung niya, pinaka bodyworks si Jerome.
Yes, sir.
Then yung sa mechanical,
doon na. Okay.
Although, believe it or not, madaling kaya yung mga mekaniko na magaling, kaya nilang anuhin to eh. Yung pagbukas lang.
Yes, sir.
Madali lang eh. Alam mo naman ng Toyota, it's designed to be easily.
Totoo, yes, sir.
Di ba?
Yun talaga din design nila na madali siyang ayusin.
Madaling ayusin eh. Pero yun nga, pagdating na sa mga tuning,
there's a specialist na.
Dapat may ka-tie up ka na shop.
Okay. Which is si Chris.
Yeah, si Chris Racing.
Yeah, Chris Racing of in Novaliches.
You should visit his place.
Yes, sir. It will be an honor for us.
Grabe yung doon, mga ginagawa ron. It's really
talagang
damakpak na mga race cars doon. Although mostly race cars sila.
Mostly race cars.
Race cars, drift cars.
So hopefully mapuntahan natin si Sir Chris Racing.
I can endorse you.
Thank you sir. Thank you.
He's a nice guy.
Thank you. Grabe, ganda sobra. So sobrang talagang noon ko pa to gusto i-feature.
Yeah, thank you.
And talagang hindi lang namin alam kung paano namin kaya approach.
Nag-usap naman tayo.
Oh yes sir, nag-usap kami. Nag-usap tayo. In sir, Cars Plus Coffee event.
Cars Plus Coffee. Hindi doon sa sa Bay,
sa Manila Bay, sir?
Sa Manila Bay.
Ay, hindi sir, sa Cars Plus Coffee. Sa yun, shoutout doon sa Cars Plus Coffee. And of course, the Retro Ride South and Old Schooler PH.
Yeah. Na-cover mo na rin si Manny, no?
Yes sir, Sir Manny. Yes.
Manny is a good friend.
Yes sir. Oh, he's also a good guy.
Ano yan? Legend na si Manny.
Ay, okay. Sobra, sir. And of course, shoutout din kay Sir Francis Coloma. Yung may silver edition. Si Sir Francis.
Minsan kasi by face.
Oo nga. Yun nga. Sir Julius, silver ed Corona.
Si Ibay is ninong ko yung yung dad ni Ibay.
Yes, sir.
Si Ibay Reyes.
Yes, sir.
Isa ring napakatindi na koleksyon.
Ay, oo, sir. We featured this, sir. We featured... Guys, yung vibe namin ngayon dito, it's like para kami nasa Japan. Kasi Japanese car. Talagang legitimate Japanese. Sir, Japanese talagang...
Well, like what I said, ako, yung brother ko, American yun eh. American talaga siya. My dad, American. I grew up mga Camaros, mga Mustangs.
Yes, sir.
Pero, nung time na namin lumalaki, tumatanda na, wala na kami mabiling...
okay. Yes, sir.
Makakabili ka pero walang yan. Mahal. Tsaka pahirap na kasi naubos eh.
Correct.
So what we did, syempre, the next after American, wala ka na mabili, is classic Japanese.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Pero that time, parang hindi pinapansin yung classic Japanese eh. Diba?
Oh, yes, sir.
Ang biroan pa nga dati,
Sirain.
Sir, palit Betamax.
Betamax? Oo nga, sir. Narinig ko yun.
Hindi mo Boco Auto, bibilin lang, palit Betamax. Kasi wala naman pumapansin ng Japanese classics dati.
Yes, sir.
Nasasabog nga sa mga pelikula nila Lito Lapid.
Sir, lalo yung mga box type, kawawa naman.
Kaya kawawa. It's just now, dahil wala ka na mabili.
Yes, sir.
Ayun, nag-ano na.
Naging mahirap na sir yung parts ng US American car.
So, the next thing to really fix and collect is yung mga Japanese, yung mga sprinters.
Which is ano yun sir? Mura that time?
Napakamura.
Okay.
Magkano lang mga sprinter dati, di ba? 20, 15, di ba? Palit Betamax pa nga. Ito mga SR, napakamura before nyan eh. It's just now, nung nagkaroon na ng ng following,
Yes, sir.
yung mga younger generation, tulad ng generation, no, started building, natuto sa mga titos-titos nila.
Yes, sir.
O yun, medyo nagkaroon ng presyo na.
Presyo na. Okay. Kung may nagkaroon na ng demand.
Yan, nagka-demand. At the same time, nagkaroon din ng following.
Yes, sir.
Like you talk about, biro mo, mga trueno, magkano na ngayon, di ba? Million.
Parang dati, sir, walang pumapansin yata, no?
Hindi pansin before niyan. It was just, sabi mo nga, parang siya yung mga left hand dati.
Yes, sir.
Imported or right hand, di ba? Na hindi mo naman pinapansin.
Yes, sir.
Pero, trueno, Diyos ko.
Okay, I remember, meron yung uncle ko na Nissan Pulsar.
O yan, mga pulsar.
Yes, sir. Parang
Kakano lang yun.
pop-up light din siya, pero parang MR2.
Parang MR2.
Tapos, lagi ang iniisip ko lagi, Night Rider, basta naggaganon yung ilaw. Kasi yun talaga yung nag-ano sa akin eh.
Yeah.
Yung sikit.
Sige.
Not knowing, American car pala siya.
Yeah.
Pero yun, sir, you mentioned, na-experience mo yung American car. Like your brother, tapos sa father nyo. Sa Japanese, between sa kanila, sir, sinong madaling i-maintain?
It's a totally
Maintenance, yes, sir.
As of now, I think it would be Japanese.
Okay.
Pero ang US ngayon, you can order by the panel, brand new.
Talaga, sir.
Diba?
So they continue the
like Mustang, Camaro. Pag bulok na, you can order na. Panel,
okay.
bumper. So naging madali na.
Okay.
Madali na.
Even the parts, sir? Pati yung mga engine parts?
Matinding support eh.
Okay.
Yung support ng mga car shops,
Yes, sir.
car manufacturing
Yes, sir.
parts. Matindi yung kanilang support. So they came up with na. And the beauty about itong Mark III na to, I just read an article. May mga Japanese shops na sa Japan, they're offering new parts
New parts na nito, sir? Okay.
Para at least mabuhay yung yung negative.
Okay. Oo nga
Pero
naman.
still, mas mahirap yung American kung dito ka, syempre kung orderin mo
Yeah,
US,
tax. No, yeah.
tax, diba? But siguro if you want to restore on a budget, mas maganda
Mas
pa rin
maganda.
mag-Japanese.
Japanese.
The fact na mas mura.
Yes, sir.
Then parts, punta ka lang sa isang group.
Oo nga,
Palitan
sir.
kayo ng parts.
Oo nga. Oo nga,
Meron ako dito
Toyota may swap meet eh.
Tulungan eh.
Correct. That's the beauty of the car community. The Philippine car community is they support each other.
Yeah.
Although
Which is good kasi before parang taguan ng mga sikreto eh. Saan na pala kabili niya?
totoo. Secret.
Hindi ko alam ito mga to. Ngayon hindi na ganun eh.
Hindi na, yes,
search
sir.
mo lang sa ano.
Yes, sir.
At saka,
Yung iba nga daw, sir, meron daw sa mga Shopee, Lazada, may mga parts daw eh.
you'll be surprised kasi itong mga to, like alam nila 1J, 2J,
Yes, sir.
may following. So, may magmamarket yan sa Shopee, Lazada.
Correct.
Magugulat ka eh.
So, which is made in, well,
Well, kasi mga sellers nila from Thailand,
Thailand, yeah.
China. Like itong mga Galant Sigma na to, I didn't know na may following pala to sa sa Thailand.
Oh, okay.
So nagtaka ako, may mga bagong quarter lights,
Yes, sir.
mga signal lights. Tapos yung mga seller galing
Galing Thailand, sir.
galing Thailand. Kasi meron silang old alam mo Thailand, matindi rin sa yan
oo nga, sir.
Matindi sila.
Ano sila, parang 5 steps ahead na yata sila sa atin eh.
Tayo, sa
Yeah.
4x4, sa mga...
Correct.
So, meron silang following ng old Mitsu group doon.
Okay.
So, they came up with parts na nagulat ako. Sabi ko, meron nagbebenta.
Which led us to that car. Yan, sir. Pwede bang makita natin yan? Okay, let's go. Okay. So guys, kasi may pinag-usapan kami, sir. Meron pa may iba pang cars doon.
Pag medyo ngayon kasi, there's not much to
Yes,
see.
sir. Ayun, sir. We don't wanna take much of your time kasi I know busy ka on a Monday afternoon. Sir, few messages na lang na pwede mo ibigay doon sa mga aspiring na gusto mag old school like to this generation.
Oh, yeah. Well, marami kasi sa young generation ngayon, naka-focus lang sila on a few models eh.
Okay.
Parang some of them would say, ito gusto ko. Lahat yun ang gusto eh.
Yes, sir.
But you have to be ready.
Yes, sir.
Like for example, itong model na to, ilan na lang nagbebenta niyan, magkano presyo niyan. Like katulad nito, it's nice to aspire for a Supra.
Yes,
pero
sir.
ang totoo niyan, halos wala ka na mabili.
Okay.
Now, that doesn't stop you dapat. Dapat tignan niyo rin yung ibang alternative models.
Okay.
Marami dyan eh. There are a lot of cars nung dekada 80s, 90s na buuhin nyo lang,
Mhm.
di ba? Give it a touch of your own identity,
Yes, sir.
creativity. And it will bring you a lot of joy and
Yes,
ano
sir.
rin eh. And parang you will take pride din eh sa
Yes,
build mo.
Correct.
So don't stop lang sa certain models.
Okay.
Diba? Tignan nyo rin yung para kumbaga magiging mas masaya yung car community.
Correct. Oo
Diba?
nga, sir.
Magiging mas
Totoo.
diverse. May mga makikita ka, iba-ibang modelo.
Totoo. Oh, yes, sir.
So
I
yun
agree.
lang, siguro for the younger generation, if you have a specific budget, you can make it work for you. Maghanap lang kayo ng certain models na medyo mas mura pa.
Okay.
Then you ask help, di ba? Tignan nyo, you ask around sa mga community, yung mga nabig. Kasi dun din kayo makakakuha ng idea.
Mhm.
Oo.
Totoo, sir. Yeah, I agree. Especially like sa inyo, kayo yung mga sa old schoolers, sa retro rides. We are really sobrang inspired sa inyo because you share your dreams, your passion. Na kami nung mga lumaki nung during the 90s na hindi namin masyado na-experience to. We get the idea na parang yung dinadrive namin na kotse ngayon came from this car,
Yes.
from this model. And when you combined it, parang maganda yung community. There's a old school and new school. Correct, yeah, I agree. Kaya natutuwa kami on our channel. Of course, we have friends from Become Legendary. And talaga, sobra. Natutuwa kami and more power talaga, sir, to the Retro Ride South and Old Schooler Philippines and Lancer Box type. Lahat ng classic Toyota.
Thanks, Jerome. Salamat talaga.
Sir Jerome, yeah.
Ikaw nagpinta ng lahat nito. Yung
Correct.
Ibo, ito, SR, tsaka Chris Racing.
Chris Racing, yan.
Tindiga Idol.
Yan. So abangan nyo kasi meron kaming ginagawa na episode na susunod naman kasama ka, sir, saka si Sir Jerome. We'll combine that two interest,
Why not?
yung builder at saka of course the owner. So yun, abangan nyo guys yung episode 2 natin.
Yeah, we would like that.
Yes, sir. So this, yun, in our channel, it's a continuous story, finding inspiration stories like from Sir Raymond and to other builders. Alright? Yes, sir.
Thank you. Again, more power, Jones. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
I keep up the good work. Yung
Thank you, sir.
lalim na mga coverage nyo.
Thank you, sir.
Yan gusto namin eh.
Thank you,
Kasi
sir.
kami mga gantong edad, marami kaming kwento eh. So, thank you for listening.
Oh, thank you, sir.
There's always stories behind these
Yes,
old
sir.
cars. So, yun lang siguro mai-pass on namin sa younger generation. Keep the spirit alive.
Oh, yes, sir.
Sa mga
Definitely.
building old cars, fixing old cars.
Yes, sir. Kayo yung inspiration namin and the channel is really, we owe it to you. Kayo yung mga builders nyo, the aspiring builders, and we are here to continue and share the story, sir. And of course, para makita namin, sir, yung mga kotse,
Yes.
na it was a part of our generation.
Salamat.
Alright? Okay. Thank you very much, Sir Raymond. Yes, sir. Thank you. God bless. Have a great week.
Yeah. More
Bye-bye.
power.
Thank you, sir. And of
Salamat.
course, Become Legendary.
Ito tayo.
Yes.
Talaga to.
Yes, sir. Like nyo rin. Follow and subscribe also to his YouTube channel, Become Legendary. And of course, his apparel, Become Legendary. Alright. Thank you very much. Have a great day. God bless and have a great week. Joms TV Media here with Sir Raymond and of course, Sir Ray, Become Legendary. Thank you very much. Have a great day. God bless. Bye.
Bye.
Sun's up, it's snooze, but I'm still dreaming about you. Stretching out in my bed, got these crazy thoughts in my head. Morning light shines on you, girl, you got that honeydew view. Start the day feeling right, cause you've been on my mind all night. Every minute, every hour, feeling your power. Got me weak, yeah, you're my tower. Good morning, Girl, you're my sunrise. With you every moment feels so right. Naughty thoughts as you pass by. Let's start the got me weak, yeah, you're my tower. Good morning, girl, you're my sunrise. With you every moment feels so right. Naughty thoughts as you pass by. Let's start the day on this high. Breakfast in bed.